Welcome to the 16th how-to video for WinScore. Here I'm going to demonstrate how to create an HOA CG, which is the total of from 2 to 4 other CGs. This can be useful where you want an HOA, maybe for your small bore events or for an Ironman competition, where you want the sum of the scores of 2 or more CGs together. So return to event results. So we go to printing and payouts, event results, and here this time through we're going to select HOA event. Now the program defaults to these names because typically you would be using this to sum your small bore, but we're not. So our first CG we're going to work with is main, second one is Fitesque, third is 5-stand, and last we don't have a fourth. And this is CG number 1, number 2, and number 3. And the new CG is number 4. And we're going to call it Ironman. Ironman Champ. Continue. And it tells me that all scores and events for the HOA CG are now present. You must populate the awards before printing. So let's go back to setup and just check on our awards before we go too far. Setup, and then next, 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 and here's Ironman Championship. Edit. Make sure your number of rounds or courses is right. It should be 3 here. So we have 3, main, Fitesque, and 5-stand. Events. Here's the main event, Ironman Championship. Edit, and we'll go to the HOA and awards. It's set up for HOA run-up and third. Let's just do an HOA because that's who we want to know, the champion, who had the best overall score, period. So save here and exit, save and exit, save and exit. Now let's go back to event results through printing and payouts, event results, continue with event results. We're going to print the Ironman Championship. We're going to print the main. Do you wish to compute the awards, ties, and shoot-offs? Yes, I do. And we want the total score. There is no amount 1. We want all entrants. So we're going to click regular. Do you wish to figure tiebreakers? Remember, these are the 3 standard questions. So we just hit enter, 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 enter. The program runs. And it tells us that the champion of the event was Pete Mash, who shot a 271. And that's how you do a total. One other point I want to make with you. You could use multiple HOA events. Let's say you had more than 4 CGs. Maybe you had 8 CGs you wanted to sum. So then what I do is take the first 4 and sum them into a new CG. Take the second 4, sum them into another new CG, and then take those 2 new CGs and sum them into a third new CG. And that way you get the grand total of all those CGs. Thank you, and see you at the next video.